Hey, Liam. What are you doing, bud? So what you cooking for lunch?
I will prepare spaghetti for your lunch.
Oh, so I'll have spaghetti, and what are you gonna have?
Chicken head.
Chicken heads. Oh, sounds delicious. Where's the chicken heads?
Outside.
I gotta check this chicken heads out.
Outside.
Chicken heads?
Chicken head. Chicken liver.
I gotta see this. Oh, I've seen it before, but chicken heads. Yes, it is a thing here. Let's see. I wonder if this is it. No, that's... Hey, you got... Is this the meat for the dogs?
Yes.
That's the meat for the dogs. Yes. She takes very good care of these dogs. Now, this is the chicken heads. Can't see them. Well, anyway, well, here we go. That's chicken head. I don't know. I guess you could say it's an acquired taste. Not my acquired. And what we got going on here? Oh, we got, look, surprise, it's rice. So we got dog's meat. We got chicken heads. And we got rice. Yeah, this is the outside kitchen, I guess you would call it.
Delicious chicken head.
What's that?
Delicious chicken head.
Oh wow! Hey, that
Banana.
there's banana. They cut that one. There's ones that down.
Not yet.
Yeah, they did. The one in the small tree.
Which one?
One right here.
You got already?
It ain't there no more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but you still got these ones right here.
Yeah, he's the big one.
There's a big one right there. That'll feed a family for a month. And then they got the mangoes growing.
No more.
They got the mangoes growing.
You show them the
What one?
the mangoes.
Oh, the mangoes over here.
Yeah.
So look, see? This is how it goes. They got mangoes over here, okay? Now, the branches go into my yard. So isn't that like a possession thing? Look at that, look at that. There's the mangoes growing right here. Look, see? Growing in my yard. So does this make it mine? Right there? Does it make it mine? That's a good question, yes. But they don't care, man. God doesn't care if we pick some down. You know? Yeah, we got a lot of mangoes here. A lot of them. How many people in the States could say they could go out to their backyard and grab themselves a mango? I'm pretty sure it ain't very many. And don't lie and say, oh yeah, I can't, because, whatever. Yeah, today is Monday. Today was market day. We went to the market. Stocked up for the week. The refrigerator is full, so Myles is happy. She's very self-conscious about that. She feels like she's not taking care of me. And I'm like, whatever. I'll walk down the street and get me a salty hamburger. Yeah, we have a pump. Look at that. Got a pump in my own backyard. What do you know? We got some plants growing here. That's the spaghetti. How much spaghetti do you think I'm going to eat? I'm not gonna eat it all. You got the kid. You got Liam. He might want some.
Maybe.
Or is he gonna eat the chicken heads?
Yeah. His favorite.
It's his favorite. Where's Mucky? There's Muck. He's chilling out. That's his spot. Underneath the bed. Hey Muck, what you doing, buddy? He just lays. He lays down all day. So Liam, you like chicken heads? Huh? Hey, you like chicken heads?
No.
No? Why not? Your grandma says you like chicken head. Yeah, it's a nice quiet day today. For Monday, it's quiet. Nobody out. But of course, it's getting to noon. And everybody's going to be eating lunch and then taking their siestas. Around 3 o'clock, you'll start seeing a bunch of people out again. It just gets too hot. Too hot. You got Mimi. Hey, Mimi. She's enjoying that's her spot. I don't know why, but she's always underneath the kitchen table. How come you don't cook that just in a pot?
Just a little.
Yeah.
Not the big.
So are you gonna go talk to your chicken heads?
Chicken.
That's the chicken heads. I don't know. I guess that's an acquired taste that I don't have. They do eat them here though. They say they're good.
Taste.
But I'm sorry, I can't eat anything. Well, I can eat. I can't. Okay. I can't eat anything that'll look at me while I'm eating it. I can't do it. Sorry. Or maybe they'll talk to me when I'm eating. I know it ain't gonna happen, but I just can't do it.
Is there any
What?
mango?
There's mangoes.
Ripe mango there?
Nah, they're all green. All the mangoes are green. So how long do they take to get ripe? Huh?
1 month maybe.
About a month?
Next month they are going.
So I was asking, I'm thinking, since it's in my yard, okay, that branch is going into my yard.
Yeah, that is yours.
Does it belong to me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that the Philippine law?
Yeah.
If it's in your yard, it's yours?
Yeah.
That's the way. See, that's a good law.
But the owner can still get into the one in here because his tree. It's
So the owner could still pick them in our yard,
Yes.
but we can pick them in our
Yeah,
yard
yeah.
too? Oh. But we can't go for any of the ones that are not in my yard, right?
yeah.
Okay. What can he do? What can he?
Stealing.
Okay, so that's stealing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Well, I think I'll shut this video off. I'm pretty sure nobody wants a cooking lesson on how to cook spaghetti. Alright, well, I'll let you all go. You gonna say bye, Liam? No?
Bye, Liam.
Bye-bye, Liam. Alright, talk to you all later. And have a great day and stay happy. Bye.